In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage roles and access in Zoho Learn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can view content, who can contribute and edit, and who can administer your knowledge base using role-based access control and the right sharing settings. First, get comfortable with the three core roles Zoho Learn uses for manuals and spaces. Admin grants full control over a manual or space. Admins can manage users, change settings, organize the structure, and edit everything. Think of this as the owner or manager. Contributor is for people who create and maintain content. Contributors can add, edit, duplicate, and delete their own articles and attach files, but they don't manage users or settings. Reader is view only with the ability to comment, which is perfect for general access and reviews without risking accidental edits. A quick tip: apply the principle of least privilege. Keep the number of admins small, make contributors your editors, and set everyone else as readers. Now let's grant access on a manual. Open the manual you want to share and click Share, typically found in the header or the manual settings. In the sharing dialog, choose who gets access. You can add everyone in your hub for broad visibility, members of a specific space for a team or department, or specific users for individual exceptions. For each entry you add, choose the appropriate role: reader for view only, contributor for editing articles, or admin for full management control. Then click Add or Save. After saving, you can revisit this dialog anytime to adjust roles as your team changes. If you need collaboration, contributors are the right pick. If you want feedback without edits, readers can comment. Next, manage access at the space level. Spaces are top-level containers for related manuals like HR, IT, or operations. In the space settings, add or remove members to define who belongs to that team. Being a member of a space doesn't automatically open every manual inside it. Access defaults to disabled until you explicitly share each manual to that space and assign a role. This design prevents accidental exposure and lets you tailor access per manual. A helpful approach is to assign a default reader or contributor role to the space, then appoint specific admins per manual to protect structure and governance. Finally, if you need to share externally, generate a public URL for a manual. You can enable password protection, set an expiration date, and keep it read-only to preserve your content. Always review for sensitive information before sharing and disable links when they're no longer needed. That's it. Define roles, share thoughtfully, manage spaces, and secure external links.